The village looks so beautiful, and the roads are even more beautiful, isn't it? Hello everyone, I am back with a new tutorial where I will teach to paint a village road. Do not worry, all my materials are listed down in the description and the links are also given. Wetting the 100% cotton paper and now taking the cobalt blue, giving a rough shape of the clouds. The Cruellan blue and now adding clouds with the space of the cobalt blue. Now taking grey, yes, some grey and filling the spaces. This will give a dimension to the clouds. For the field, we'll be taking the sap green, making some horizontal strokes, and we'll go lighter down with the strokes. Intensifying the sap green with a darker green. Now, for making the dark leaves, we'll be loading the brush with the darkest green and we'll be adding small strokes to add the depth to the field. For creating the water body, taking the light blue and blending with the green. At this moment, we'll be making the distant tree with the darkest green. Now, we'll be adding some birds on the sky. And our piece is completed. Guys, do share your reviews in the comment section below. That will encourage me to create further more pieces. Also share your suggestion list for the next tutorial. For the time being, don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Bye. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.